Hello everyone, I'm Jeff from COMAX. Today we received an inquiry from one of our customers. He is asking about the washability performance of our DTF prints. Okay, now I will introduce you how we do washability test. Totally, one time of washability test is about 2 hours. Firstly, 1 hour of washing is in the washing machine, and then there's about half an hour to make it dry, and then we will add a washing powder and wait for about 15 to 20 minutes. With such a strict test, our DTF prints could last 10 times at 14 centigrade and 5 times at 16 centigrade. If you also use our DTF home melt powder and the DTF ink, the results will be much better. It will be last 20 times at 14 centigrade and 10 times at 16 centigrade. Thanks for your watching.